ngenekelo egameni likaJesu ebandleni laseMount of Olivet International. I would love to share lezwi nani uNkulunkulu anibusise. But ngicela ukukhuluma ngale ndaba ukuthi akusibo bonke abantu abalungile in the group of abantu abasempilweni yakho. Cela sibheke ke encwadini yethu in the book of Acts chapter number 28 only verse number 3. Ngalithi khona eBhayibheli, as Paul gathered an armor of sticks and was laying them on the fire, a poisonous snake driven out by the heat, it bite on the hand. So last sithola umpostoli Paul lithi iBhayibheli wayekade eyotheza inkuni, but phakathi kweinkuni or phakathi kwenqwaba yenkuni bekade aziphethe. Lithi iBhayibheli ngaphakathi kweinkuni kwakade kunenyoka eyayikade ibonakala ifana neinkuni. Now zonke inkuni bekade azithwele ngaphakathi kwakunenyoka, so akakwazanga ukuyibona ngesizathu sokuthi iyafana neinkuni. Nabantu ohamba nabo bayafana bonke, kodwa kuhluka ibehavior yabo, kuhluka ngendlela abenza ngakhona. Kodwa ke lithi iBhayibheli uma ephethe le inkuni lezi kunenyoka ngaphakathi, ayi-expozekanga inyoka by the time esaziphethe up until azayifaka emlilweni. Now umlilo awukwazanga ukuyi-expose inyoka, but the heat from the fire exposed the snake. What does that mean? It means every stage or every position or every level in life you are taking, every snake ohamba naso empilweni, it becomes exposed. Iyavela just because of the level or the elevation uNkulunkulu ayiletha empilweni yakho. Abantu bebakade behamba naye bamangala uma bembona elunywa inyoka, kanti le nyoka ekade ingaphakathi kweinkuni. Now le nyoka uma iseinkunini yayikade ikumask, if I can make it like that, ikumask or iku-makeup efana nabanye abantu, okusho ukuthi zonke le inkuni zazifana nenyoka and inyoka efana neinkuni. Now uma eseyifaka emlilweni le nyoka ayibanga exposed, but ngenxa yokushisa komlilo yayikade iba exposed. But now let me take you further with this. Lithi iBhayibheli uma efika kuleyo ndawo umpostoli Paul wathola ukuthi already umlilo subasiwe lapho, but now okusho ukuthi lo mlilo sobasiwe ubaswe ngabanye abantu, they prepared that fire for them. Yet lo mlilo according to the level or the dimension akuyona yena akakwazi ukuwotha umlilo because awumfudumezi. Now what decide ukuhamba yofuna ke inkuni ukuthi azofudumezwa ukushisa komlilo. Now lo what decide ukuthi ngcono kube uyena ozenzela umlilo kulomlilo abawenzile, kanti not knowing ukuthi uma ethoza inkuni ngaphakathi kweinkuni kunenyoka. Lithi iBhayibheli wafaka inkuni emlilweni ngenxa yokuvutha komlilo nokushisa komlilo. Lithi iBhayibheli wase ebe inyoka iba exposed, yayikade iphakathi emlilweni. Now yabamba yaluma isandla. Lithi iBhayibheli bonke bebekade bebhekile, they were wondering, assuming or thinking ukuthi le ndoda izofa ngenxa yokuthi seyilunyiwe kwalunywa isandla. They know ukuthi le nyoka ino poison onzima olunywe yiyo noma kanjani uzofa. But now kwenzeka ukuthi uma imluma wayisusa wayiphonsela emlilweni ukuthi ishiswe mhlambe kulowo mlilo loyo, but lithi iBhayibheli yena akafanga just because of the heat of that fire. Waqhubeka wasebenza, kanti inyoka uma iluma isandla esinomsebenzi obalekile in future. Iluma isandla esizosiza abantu in future. Iluma isandla esizophilisa abantu in future. That is why mawuzolifunda wehla nalo, you will find ukuthi the very same hand elunywe inyoka, it is the same hand eyaphilisa abantu after then. Now what does it mean bazalwane le ndaba? Ichaza ukuthi every snake esivelayo empilweni yakho, wonke umuntu ovelayo engahambi ngendlela elungile empilweni yakho, wonke umuntu oba against you endleleni yakho, akalwisani nawe by that time, akalwisani nawe ngendlela boyizolo, kodwa ulwisana nawe ngendlela ozoba yiyo in future. Now every time the devil when he fights you, when he attacks you, He attacks you because of whatever lento ozoba yiyo. He fights your destiny. He fights the future position ozoba yona. Usuke akulwisela lento ozoba yiyo in future. Now awulwiselwa into yiyo manje. Awulwisela into oboyizolo. Kodwa ulwisela into ozoba yona. Every situation that comes in your life, yazi ukuthi wena ubhekane nesimo ozoba yona. Now I normally say, if ever you are called, every man or woman of God who is called, the person who go through situations ahlukile anzima because of the calling ebekwe kuyena. Now i-calling goes with challenges. Ngeke uyiseparate, ngeke uzihlukanise i-calling ngoba ihamba neyinkinga zayo. uNkulunkulu wenze kona ukuthi uma ngabe usesimene, uma ngabe usenkingeni, inkinga iqhubekisela likusasa, ikufundisela likusasa or indlela yokukhuphulela ukuthi ube ngomunye umuntu just in future. That is why nayo uPaul lithi iBhayibheli uma alunyele inyoka umluma isandla esizophilisa abantu in future. Kulunywa isandla esizoba usizo emangweni in future. Now okusho ukuthi ke la uma inyoka imluma yayingalwi noPaul, yayingalwisani noPaul, but yayilwisana nempumelelo yabantu. Kanti uNkulunkulu ubiza uPaul for the success of other people. Ingakho yayidinga ukuthi iziluma isandla ukuthi kungabikho umuntu azophiliswa kusasa, kungabikho umuntu ozosizakala ngakusasa. That is why abantu abambekade bembona elunywe inyoka, lithi iBhayibheli bathi this must be a murderer. Lo kahle kahle akusi umuntu ekumele ngawe yaphila. Akekho umuntu ongalunywa inyoka aphile. Akekho umuntu ondlula kulesi simo izinto zimlungele. Akekho umuntu ondlula kulesi simo endlule kusona izinto zimhambele kahle. But now I want to emphasize this. Undlule ezimene eziningi, ezimene ezinzima ngenxa yokuthi uNkulunkulu bekhona. And for the fact ukuthi uNkulunkulu bekhona, injongo yakaNkulunkulu yokuthi wendlule lapho ingenxa yokuthi uNkulunkulu has plans ezashila encwadini engcwele athi I've got good plans to prosper you. Unama plans amahle ngeimpilo zethu. Ngalokho wenza ukuthi nala siya khona sibe nempumelelo, ingakho kumele sendlule la sindlule khona. Let me make an example ngendoda eyodwa eBhayibhelini. uJobe. Lithi iBhayibheli uJobe kwalahleka yonke into, waphela yonke into empilweni yakhe, but ngoba wayekade ethemba uNkulunkulu futhi enoNkulunkulu konke kwabuya. Ngicela ukuyiphinda. uJobe walahlekelwa yikho konke, kodwa ngoba bekemene uNkulunkulu konke kwabuya. Futhi kwathi mase kubuya konke kwabuya sikuphinde phindekile ngenxa yokuthi bekakade emene uNkulunkulu futhi enoNkulunkulu, ekuNkulunkulu. Ingakho uNkulunkulu athi hlalani kimi nami ngihlale kini. Wonke umuntu ohlezi kuye izinto zakhe noma zishabalala ziyabuya ngoba enoNkulunkulu. That is why ke lithi iBhayibheli uJobe kwalahleka yonke into kodwa kwaphinde wazuza yonke into ngoba bekakade emene uNkulunkulu futhi enoNkulunkulu. So every challenge empilweni yakho ayilwisani nawe lamhlanje, ayilwisani nento yiyo lamhlanje, but kulwiswa into zoba yiyo in future. The devil is always fighting for your future. The devil is always fighting for elikusasa lakho. So don't be conformed ngezinto ezenzakalayo. Don't change your mind about izinto ezicabangayo. Don't feel so guilty uma izinto zikwehlela. Understand lento le. uNkulunkulu he is preparing you for elikusasa lakho. uNkulunkulu he is preparing you for your future. Stay calm. Ube noNkulunkulu, mthemba uNkulunkulu kukho konke, noma izinto zikwehlela, noma ilingo zikwehlela, noma abantu bekujikela, noma abantu bekuthuka bekubiza ngamagama, hlala uthemba uNkulunkulu ngoba uNkulunkulu ukuprepare lekusasa. Amen. uNkulunkulu anibusise bazalwane. uNkulunkulu abe nani. uNkulunkulu anenzele umusa, abe inkosi nomsindisi wenu. uNkulunkulu abe njalo nakini. Amen.